Insurance is and always has been a relationship business. There's no question about that. I think everything that makes our business great is the relationships that we have with our customers. You were the nicest guy when you sold them the policy. You're more helpful and a better person than any other insurance guy in town. And you get the feeling that if you're going to have a loss, I'm glad you had it with me. Don't worry, we're going to make this right and we're going to get you through this. The relationships are there, but the relationships need to go further than that. I mean, there's obviously the relationship that we were all taught, make sure that you developed a rapport with your underwriter and so on and so forth. But what about the relationship with the owner of the brokerage? Not to say they're selfish, but, I heard a few people who said, we ended up making X number of dollars in contingent profit commissions and we've shared it with our staff. I don't hear that story enough. I don't hear the story enough where I've spent 25 years with this brokerage and I decided to retire at 65 years old. And what did I get? Nothing. Unless you call it the gold watch, which I keep referring to. The nice part is that this is what my book of business is. This is what the ownership of my book of business is. This is what the going rate is. And this is what I should get leaving that when I leave the business or leave the brokerage. And I can't emphasize enough. There's a big difference between leaving the industry as an owner and leaving the industry as an employee. And if you're 35 to 40 years old, you can easily rebuild what you've built. And when you decide to leave, you're going to thank yourself for watching this video. I give you my word on that.